Assalamu alaikum, friends. Everyone, today is my topic, Quran and modern science. Today is a very important topic. The moonlight is the reflected light to the sun. Today, modern world, earlier civilization, he will be now. Moonlight is a reflected light to the sun. Science tells us today, moonlight is a reflected light to the sun. More than 1400 years ago, Holy Quran mentioned in the Holy Quran, تبارك الذي جعل في السماء بروجا وجعل فيها سراجا وقمرا منيرا. He who made constellation in the skies, and in a place there in a lamp and moon giving light. The Arabic word is sun. In the Quran is shams, as a siraaj, which means a torch, as wahhaaj, which means a glory, blazing lamp, which means a shining glory. There are as a source of light and energy. There are three description is the main important description of the light and energy. The qamar is the moon. Arabic word is qamar. That it is described in the Quran. It is the moon as a munir, which gives lights. It is the body of lights and energy. The all of us very great energy resources. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala clear of this evidence before 1400 years ago in the Quran Pak. Moon is does not itself given light. That is the reflected light to the sun. Assalamu alaikum.